The plan to oust then Senate President Juan Miguel Zubiri only started last Thursday, May 16, according to his successor, Senator Cheese Escudero. In an interview at the Senate on Tuesday, May 21, newly installed Senate President Escudero admits initiating the move against Zubiri. Zubiri said he learned of the coup plot against him on May 15.
Hindi ko alam kung saan niya nalaman nung Wednesday kasi Thursday pa lang unang may kinausap ako so hindi ko alam kung sino yung Wednesday.
Escudero says many senators already had doubts at that time but refuses to disclose the reasons why his colleagues had their misgivings on Zubiri's leadership.
When I say sinimulan ko makipag-usap, dahil marami naman at that time na may mga agam-agam.
By Sunday, May 19, Escudero says his group already secured the number needed to replace Zubiri. The following day, Escudero was elected Senate President after getting the support of 15 out of 24 senators following the resignation of Zubiri as the upper chamber's top leader. Escudero reveals that his group decided to no longer present the resolution signed by the 15 senators on the Senate floor since Zubiri opted to quit.
There was no need. So hindi na kailangan ng anumang declaring vacant, ganon-ganon. Mula na ganon para hindi naman seamless pero at least mapayapa at hindi magulo.
The new Senate President explains that as in the past, the change in Senate leadership is always done through a gentlemanly conduct.